plastic currency, as you know, this is not this year, but the last 4 or 5 years, RBI is toying with the idea of introducing plastic currencies. We also, on sample basis, a few places, as appeared in our annual report, we introduced just for the experiencing it. You see, we are very circumspect before we take up any initiative. The plastic currencies are available in Malaysia, Australia, all these places. What is their experience, and whether it is going to help us? Then the volume of plastic currency we are going to print, and what will be its environmental effect, because ultimately it has to be destroyed. So many things we have to consider before we take any step, because as you know, a central bank cannot be adventurous. He has to think 10 times before they do something. That is why it is still in our agenda. We are toying with the idea, but we are always comparing what is the advantage, cost, benefit, why all these things, plastic versus paper currency. So that is why the public stand, or it will come only from central office. But as I have explained to you, where a lot of thought is being put to this issue before we really go whole hog for plastic currency. We have to think from various ways. Whatever we do, 10 times we think. So many things. You know, we have gone for our own paper printing press, keeping our requirement for paper notes in Mysore. So now then we have to, if we will completely switch over to plastic, then what will be our next strategy? I don't know, so many things. Suppose I have a layout of 1,000 crores or something like that for a manufacturing unit that will generate papers for notes. Now I have to also invest for now generating plastics for notes. So what I am telling, whatever RBI does, lot of thought goes on, and you never expect RBI to be adventurous or taking some step immediately. You must have observed how we operate, how we speak. Whatever we do, we think lot. That's the main. We are not. That's the main point. If it could be proved beyond doubt that the ATM has issued the fake notes, then definitely we will initiate action against the bank concerned. But when I say, again I am repeating, if it can be proved beyond doubt, because the downside of this issue, when we say, suppose somebody comes and say that this STM has given me this fake note, and if you suppose we just buy that idea, then what will happen, you know? Things are not that easy as it appears always. So that is our policy is, if it can be proved beyond doubt that is, this fake note has been received from this ATM, immediately RBI will take up the matter with the commercial bank concerned. Otherwise,
sir, how to prove the customer?
That's what I am telling. Now it has to be proved by the customer that is beyond doubt that it is only that ATM has. Are you getting my point? It is not that easy a thing. The moment I say any customer sending me a complaint that I have received this fake note from this ATM, then you know what is the volume of fake notes in the economy. Then all will say this is the easiest way to lodge a complaint and get it. Are you getting my point? So I have to think from both. That's why I told, if beyond doubt it can be proved, definitely RBI will initiate action. And the onus of proof remains with the customer.